Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code differ in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
SEPA understanding error code differ content error code differ in Call of Duty Warzone is a network-related error that typically indicates a problem with the gameplay's connection to Activision servers. This can manifest as an inability to join a match, being unexpectedly disconnected mid-game, or difficulty connecting to the online services at all its signals, a breakdown in communication, preventing the game from maintaining a stable link required for online play. While its specific trigger can vary, it is almost always related to internet connectivity, server issues, or local network configurations interfering with the game's ability to operate online. SEPA initial troubleshooting steps content. The first course of action for error code differ involves performing basic restarts. Begin by completely closing the Call of Duty Warzone application on your core console. After the game is shut down, restart your entire gaming platform, core console. Following is power cycle your home network equipment. Unplug your internet modem and Wi-Fi router from their power sources. Wait for at least 6 seconds, then plug the modem back in first. Once the modem is fully online, indicated by stable lights, plug your router back in. Allow both devices a few minutes to re-establish their connection before attempting to launch Warzone again.
Step by checking your internet connection stability. Content of flaky or inconsistent internet connection is a common culprit for error code differ. Verify your internet connection stability and speed by running an online speed test via speed test net on a device connected to the same network as your gaming platform. Look for unusually low download upload speeds or high ping if possible. Test your connection with other online applications or games to confirm it's not an isolated issue with Warzone. Consider connecting your core console directly to your router via an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi, as a wired connection provides greater stability and can eliminate wireless interference as a potential cause.
SEPA adjusting network settings. Content modifying your network settings can often resolve persistent connection issues. Try changing your DIN servers to public ones such as Google DIN's primary, secondary, or opens. This can sometimes improve the routing to game servers on your router settings. Ensure your network address translation NAT is open as a moderate or strict. NAT can restrict connectivity with other players and game servers. If you are experiencing repeated disconnections, consider temporarily disabling any quality of service close settings on your router, as these can sometimes prioritize other traffic over gaming data, leading to instability.
SAP verifying game files and server status. Content if network adjustments don't resolve the issue. Focus on the game itself and external factors. For players, use the scan and repair function within the Battle.net launcher for Warzone to check for and fix any corrupt or missing game files. Ensure your game is fully updated to the latest version, as outdated clients can struggle to connect to current servers. Furthermore, check the official Activision support social media channels, a Twitter or dedicated server status websites to see if there are any widespread outages or maintenance ongoing for Warzone, as this will explain connection issues not related to your local setup. Lastly, ensure that your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking Warzone's connection, potentially by adding an exception for the game.